Great day and welcome to But First Coffee. Here, we are more than just your neighborhood coffee shop. We're your daily escape. The moment you step in, you're greeted by the comforting aroma of freshly brewed coffee, a cozy ambience, and a space made for connection and calmness.
Kurt, pagod na ako. Lester, gusto ko ng masarap. Masarap na pagkain.
Akala ko naman, let me check.
Oh, ang ganda ng ambience. Ay, ito, perfect.
Perfect! Tara na!
Let's go!
Parang maganda din dito, ha?
Oo nga, parang masarap din yung pagkain.
Parang sa labas lang maganda. Parking check. Good surrounding check.
Structure check.
Come and enter a world where culinary talent meets exceptional hospitality.
Welcome po.
At But First Coffee, we think the dining is an experience rather than merely a meal.
Can we sit here? Paano ang ginawa niya doon? Tapos parang nakakahiya siya.
Hindi naman siya maganda.
Oo. Sino ba siya?
Waiter, can I have the menu, please?
I remember, giving extra time for yourself to relax is what you also need. However, life gets a little too loud. Luckily, in this cafe, there's a staff that sees what I really need. A warm smile, a calm voice, and a little understanding go a long way.
Thank you so much for this. I like the night. It's much relaxing and the calmness of the music. Much better siya kaysa sa kanila. Sure, no problem.
Because just like you, I'm also looking for a moment of peace in the chaos, a quiet space to breathe. And that's what he prioritized, a spot that he introduced to me, which gives me a quiet and peaceful time to be.
That's all, ma'am.
Oh yes, that was so delicious. Thank you for this quiet spot. I needed that.
My pleasure. We aim to create a calm environment for everyone during busy times.
At But First Coffee, these moments matter. A good meal, a quiet space, and someone who truly sees you. All it takes is knowing you're being taken care of, even just for a moment.
Ready to go na ba? Buti at makakauwi na. Ay, so tiring baby.
Oo, nakakapagod pero worth it naman, di ba?
Yes, worth it. Imagine we managed to entertain our customer at lahat sa kanila ay grabe ang day pagpapalabas na. Our customer appreciated pa.
That's why I love working here. Our management, hindi lang customer ang priority, kundi pati tayo, mga employees. Look, maaga na naman tayo makakauwi.
But in But First Coffee, not just the customer are the priority, but also us employees.